with AC Lighting, and we're a lighting distributor. We're here in the next 2 days with the Chroma Q product range. And you may be familiar with Chroma Q for color scrollers or go-go rotators, but we've been playing in the LED space for what seems like a dinosaur's life in the LED world. It's about 8 years. But in the last year and a half, we introduced a product called the Color Force. And it's a combination of our goals and dreams as product designers and salespeople to make something very, very theatrical using technology. Right? So we took LEDs, but we kept in mind what you want to do as a designer. So some of the things that we were able to do is we kind of captured magic, right? And the market has responded very, very, very well to the product. When you come up and see the product, we're in the back in the corner over here, but we worked really hard to give the product an analog feel. So we put it on a 2-scene preset fader board. So when you touch the fixture and you bring it up, it really has a nice analog feel to it. So we interpret DMX and we kind of guess what you want to go and where you want to do it. Typically with an LED fixture, you bring it up and it has like a raw digital feel. This is a very, very analog feel. But if you stand it on end and you do something very live entertainment or rock and rolly with it, it responds instantaneously to DMX. So it can be soft and subtle or respond very quickly. Another thing that makes it magical is we worked very hard on the beam blending. Typically with an LED, you get stripes and striations for the first 4 to 6 feet out of a fixture. But we designed our own lensing, and then we took a trick from theater a long time ago, and we did near-far lensing. So we put 23-degree lenses in the front and 12-degree in the back. So when you light a cyclorama, it lights perfectly at the bottom, and then it climbs all the way to the top. So it has a very nice tungsten feel. It blends right out of the fixture, so you don't have to give up 4 to 6 feet of the sight to get that to blend, or you don't have to lens it heavily, which crushes the output to get that evenness. Very, very high color rendering index. So we have a CRI of 92. We get super deep reds, very, very cool blues, and soft pastels. So it feels analog, it blends beautifully, it has great color range. It's the Color Force. It's available in 12-inch, 48-inch, and 72-inch. And I think you'll see, if you spend the time to come back, that it has a very, very theatrical quality to it. So that's us, that's AC Lighting Chroma Q. Thanks.